What to do when you hit resistance? Now, probably you've made new goals for the year, and we're now in February, and you may have noticed that you're not doing them quite so passionately anymore. That's resistance. So defense mechanisms, as they're termed in psychology, are barriers, resistances that come in, and they've been set up usually to protect us. So when you understand that your resistance is a form of protection, it may make it easier to just work your way through it or allow it. It's important to become comfortable, I have found, being uncomfortable. And that may sound paradoxical, and it is. The thing is, like with the aeroplane, when you're flying along, if you've been in an aeroplane and you hit turbulence, that's resistance. It's where the air is moving and the plane has to find its way through it. And you just keep going. And when we start to learn new things, there will be resistance, because there's a point where you hit the ceiling of your current knowledge, and there will be a resistance. It's not a bad thing, it's not a good thing, but just be aware of it, and that's when you decide to choose to move forward and push through to something else. Now, actually, I have found one of the good ways to overcome resistance is by doing something else completely, because the more often when you push against something, it creates a counter force. And so we don't necessarily want to be doing battle with us. That's why often we can find it's a bit difficult to change when we meet that energy. And there are different ways to deal with the energy that's easy, fun, quick, efficient, and really transformational. So when you are in that space of discomfort or resistance, you're nearly there. You're actually at the point now where things are possible to change. And so if you keep going, you'll get there. I am Trilby Johnson. I'm a breakthrough mentor and intuitive, and I'd love to hear from you of moments of resistance that you've experienced, perhaps where you feel you're stuck or struggling, and also moments where you actually experience breakthrough. Comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear from you. And if you would like to stop struggling and experience stress relief and move forward and go beyond your limitations into your wisdom, I'd be happy to have a chat with you, or visit my website breakthroughsavvy.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.